A ordinary wild mango plant loaded with tons of your favorite mango variety, and that too in just a few months. Hard to believe? Today I will show you the magical trick of mango stone grafting, a technique whose successful results are rarely seen. Today we won't just learn how to do the grafting, but we will also see a full 1 month update. For this technique, first we need a young plant grown from a wild mango seed, which we call the rootstock. Wild mango roots are very strong and resistant to diseases. Now we need a scion, which is a twig from a good sweet mango tree that already bear fruits. Look closely. I have cut off all the leaves from the scion so that all of its energy goes into growing new buds. Now comes the most important part. Cut this wild plant from the top and make a straight slice right down the middle, matching the exact length to which we need to shape the scion into a V shape. Next, very carefully shape both sides of the lower end of our scion to give it a perfect V shape. Now fit this V shaped scion into the cut of the rootstock in such a way that skin of both matches perfectly. After this, wrap it tightly with grafting tape or any flexible plastic to make it completely airtight, ensuring no water or air get inside. A full 17 days have passed and look at this. Tiny sprouts have started appearing on our scion. This means our grafting is 50% successful and the nutrition from the rootstock has started reaching the scion. But wait, the real test is still ahead because many times the graft dries up even after this stage. That's why the second update is going to be even more important. Today marks exactly 24 days. What used to be a bud has now transformed into beautiful glossy leaves, which is proof that the plant is perfectly healthy. Now we will remove the plastic from the grafted part and examine its joint. Look down here. The joint of the scion and the rootstock has also started fusing together nicely. This plant is no longer wild. Instead, it is ready to become a premium quality mango tree. And finally, the spectacular sights after a full 36 days is right before you. The leaves have now grown completely large and turned a deep green color. The grafting has been a 100% success. Now this plant will be fully ready to bear fruit in just the next 1 to 1.5 years. So friends, how did you like this method of growing the best quality mango plant at home for free? If you want to know which secret fertilizer to add while shifting this plant into a pot, then make sure to comment part 2 below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.